Yeah, I'm walking the dogs, guys. Walking the dogs, hanging out. Look, guys. They're doing good, guys. They're doing good. The dogs all. Just walking the dogs, guys. You guys hear ding, bing, or my voice go away a bit, and it comes back with the notifications. Trust me, guys. I'm gonna get a brand new phone or a brand new GoPro camera. You guys don't have to hear the dinging noise and whatever. He's longing. Come on, guys. Come on. It's no windy out. But when I was fishing, I was windy out. Clouds came in, windy, and then the water was going. It was weird. I guess. Let me get those. There's Sunny the black lab, guys. There's Piper the bone dog, Bloodborne Coonhound mixed with English Mastiff. And the black lab. And I'm walking down the trail park. And yeah, guys, I am making I'm fishing videos soon, so when I upload this, guys, you guys will see new fishing videos, guys. In my fish room, I'm gonna upload a fish room too. I got a fish room all ready to go.